how to find Facebook groups. Now, let's say you want to find the Facebook groups that you are currently in, or you want to find new Facebook groups that you want to join in, whether that may be private or public, or custom people only. So in order for you to find the Facebook groups that you can join in, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu right here and scroll down until you see groups right here. If you can't see it here, you just have to tap on see more in order for you to see all the feature that Facebook has. So you just have to tap on groups right here. And in order for you to see the groups that you are currently in, all you have to do is to tap on your groups right here. And if you want to join other groups, all you have to do is to tap on for you right here. And now Facebook will give you suggested groups that you can join in right here. You can also see the posts that you have on your Facebook groups right here and discover other Facebook groups that you want to join in by tapping on discover right here. By tapping on search icon right here, you can also search for a specific Facebook group that you want to join in. So that's how to find Facebook group. Hope we helped.